Hello everyone, so I'm back from an amazing 6-day camping trip at Crystal Cove State Park, and I thought I would use this as an opportunity to describe some of the things I love about our Bushwakka Bohma camper and some of the things I dislike about it and some modifications that I've made over the 2.5 years of ownership. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that I love and some of the things I dislike about the camper. So let's start with one of my favorite features, the size. When neatly packed up, the Bohma is no larger than many popular teardrop campers such as the Bean, the Pando 2.0, or the Boreas XT, all of which are excellent contenders in the compact camper world. However, where the Bushwakka shines is when you open it up. It effortlessly transforms into a spacious living area with 2 comfortable beds, which is a unique feature that saves you from the added expense and hassle of a rooftop tent. Versatility is a key strength of this camper. Its modularity allows for a wide range of setups to suit your needs, whether it's setting up 1 bed or 2, popping up 1 awning or 2, or even creating a complete 360-degree shield against the elements. The Bushwakka's got you covered. It even boasts an annex room for those times when you want extra covered space. Now let's talk about the kitchen. The thoughtfully designed kitchen and pantry offer more counter space than you'll find in most teardrop campers. This extra room makes meal prep enjoyable, not a chore, even when you're in the wilderness. One thing you might be wondering is, can this camper handle rough terrain? Absolutely. The Bushwakka Bohma matches the exact wheel track of my Jeep Grand Cherokee and doesn't stretch any wider. The robust chassis and flexible tow hitch mean that this camper can go anywhere my Jeep can go. Over my 2.5 years of ownership, I've been consistently impressed with the Bohma's durability and functionality. There's abundant storage space inside and around the camper, making it easy to keep your essentials organized, and the sink configuration, complete with hot water on demand, is a delight after a day of exploration. Despite all its pros, the Bohma isn't without its quirks though. For instance, the sink setup felt a bit unstable initially, so I added some spring rods for support and altered the leg to extend straight to the ground. The result, a sturdier, more user-friendly sink setup. A design aspect I'd reconsider is the positioning of the battery boxes. They sit really low, which makes them susceptible to trail damage. In a future design, I'd gladly sacrifice some interior space to give these boxes a safer home. The Bohma's leveling and stabilization jacks are fantastic, but the handles are a real weak point. They stick out from the sides of the camper and they're quite prone to damage from rocks, so I've had to replace them both. My solution is to remove them entirely for technical trails and carry a spare just in case. And the last point on my wish list is a more comfortable mattress. The ones provided are rather firm. Some people might appreciate this, but we found them less than ideal for a good night's sleep. So I've experimented with various mattress toppers and finally settled on a gel latex mattress topper. It's a bit of an investment, but it has significantly improved our comfort. It'd be great to see future models come with a softer mattress option, so additional toppers wouldn't be necessary. So in conclusion, the Bushwakka Bohma has proven to be an incredible companion for our adventures. Its impressive size, versatility, spacious kitchen, off-road capabilities, durability, exceptional storage, and functional sink configuration make it a top choice for any camping enthusiast, and I think a really good option when comparing it with teardrop campers, for example. While there are some areas for improvement, such as the sturdier sink design, better positioning for the battery boxes, improved location for the jack and jack handles, and a softer mattress, for me, the pros undoubtedly outweigh the cons. All right, so thanks for joining me on this discussion of things I love about the Bushwakka Bohma and also some things I dislike about the camper. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.